I am so excited. Hey guys, and welcome to my video. This is going to be an unboxing and review for the Hexclad pans. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Ahmed got me these a few months ago and I'm finally now unboxing and using them. I am such a hoarder and I can't get over this packaging. It is absolutely stunning. I want to keep them in their box forever. What I did have before is, I hope I'm saying it correctly, it's called Carote, I don't know, C-A-R-O-T-E. I had this set because I thought it would be very convenient. These just like hook on and off. You could change the cooking lid to like a Tupperware lid for storage. In theory, it sounds great, but honestly, the quality is not that great. There are so many scratches on here. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I don't cook as often as I feel a normal household would. I feel like we eat out or get takeout more than I cook. So the fact that it's only been a year of, barely cooking, like I wanna say maybe I cooked 30 times in the year, and this like condition of the pans is just not good. Now we have these pans to try out and to unbox, and I'm so very excited. I heard nothing but great things. This is not a cheap purchase, so you really want to know, like, are you investing your money into good quality products or not? So this is going to be a review. I know that you need to season these pans. I will probably season them as I go. I don't think I have the energy to season all of them at once. I definitely plan on making some lunch for myself right now and dinner tonight, so we'll season whatever pans I end up using for those two. I will record myself using it for the next week or so I can give you a review at the end of the video, my opinion, what I think, etc, etc, etc. Now let's get into the fun part, which is unboxing this. This is so pretty. It's like Apple packaging, but for pans. This first box is like pans. This is a pan set. It has this like glossy design on it. So each box has 3 sets. One is pans, one is pots, and yeah, this is what it looks like when you open it. It says the revolutionary design of Hexclad cookware brings together form and function. Traditional non-stick plus cast iron plus stainless steel makes you this pan. Like, look at this. Oh, I'm obsessed. It does come with a booklet, and in this booklet it tells us how we're gonna need to season it. Wash in warm soapy water, then dry, place on medium-low heat, thinly coat the pan's interior with cooking oil, leave on heat for 2 to 3 minutes. All done, you're ready to cook. Okay, it's not that bad. Each lid comes in a little cardboard box. Packaging engineer. Stunning, beautiful, I love it already. Now each pan comes in a little bag. It's like a purse, how your purse comes in bags. Are we kidding? Like, this is why I didn't want to unbox it. They are honestly, it's so beautiful. It's such a big upgrade for what I did have. This is gonna make me want to cook. And each one in its own little cardboard box. Oh my god, it's actually so beautiful. And last but not least, we have our 8-inch pan. So cute. I think the sizes are perfect. I feel like I'm already being so biased just because I love how they look and how they feel. Now this is the pots box, as you can see. You got the 10-inch lid, 8-inch lid, 7-inch lid. It looks like it's one pot and then like 2 saucepans. Here's the book for this one. Wow. It's beautiful. Here is the complete set. It is absolutely so beautiful. So it's time to make myself some lunch. I'm gonna make bulldog spring rolls. They have been all over my For You page and I've been dying to try it. For lunch, I think I'm gonna use the medium-sized pan. Let's season it together. I first need to clean it with warm soapy water. Now that it's all seasoned, let's cook our first meal on it. Guys, I just cooked the bulldog on the pan and honestly I do feel a difference. It's not sticking to the pan at all. It was heating up quicker than normal. So far, very happy. Now I'm gonna make some spring rolls and then we're gonna sear it on the same pan. I'll just wash it in between and yeah, we'll see how the sear goes as well. We have our bulldog spring rolls. The pan was really nice to use. Nothing stuck to it. It heated up evenly. So far, so good. In terms of the actual spring roll, I think the noodles were too hot, so it might have ripped the spring roll. I don't know, I've never made it before. Maybe I overfilled it, but in the videos that I watched, they're always filled to the brim. I could have seared it a little longer, but I was worried that it's gonna continue to rip. I definitely don't think I could eat both of these. They look a lot. Don't think that I'm gonna review everything I make using the pan. I just thought it was an opportunity since I'm already dressed. Probably gonna take one bite, then get cozy and watch my show while I eat this. Let's dig in. I went ahead and made a quick sauce. Everyone that eats these has a sauce. This is just soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, and chili crisp. First bite without. Interesting. Let's try with the sauce. It's good, but I feel like I wouldn't make it again. I feel like I like it not in a spring roll. guys, so it's been a little bit over a week of me testing out pans slash pots, and I gotta say I love them. I really do. Cooking on them feels easier. Cleanup is easy. The food cooks more evenly. Even Ahmed said that the food tastes better using them. It might all be in our heads. I'm genuinely happy with how they are so far. I won't be able to tell you how they stand over time. I don't know how they are with wear and tear. So far so good. I'm really happy with this upgrade. I hope that you found this video insightful. If these are the types of videos that you like watching, please let me know. Please let me know what you would like to see in the future, whether that's testing anything out, reviewing any brand, or just like fun videos that I like to record. Thank you guys for tuning in, and until next time.